In today's video, you will learn exporting Outlook emails to a PST file desktop. Exporting important emails is a smart step when switching to a new computer or creating a secure backup of your messages. Start by navigating to your inbox and reviewing your messages. Take a moment to decide which email or emails you want to export. Doing this ahead of time helps keep your export organized and ensures you only move what you truly need. Once you have identified the emails you want to keep, select them so they are ready for the next step. After selecting your emails, look toward the upper area of the screen for the three dots icon, usually found in the corner. This icon opens a menu that contains several useful options. Click on the three dots to reveal the menu, then scroll through the available choices until you find the download option. Selecting this option allows you to save the chosen emails as files. At this point, you will be prompted to choose between two file formats, EML or MSG. Both formats work well, and the best choice depends on what you are most comfortable using. EML files are widely supported across different email clients, making them a flexible option. MSG files are more specific to Microsoft products and integrate smoothly within that environment. Choose the format that fits your needs and continue by selecting the Save option. When saving the file, direct it to an external hard drive. This step is important because it keeps your exported emails separate from your current device and makes them easy to transfer later. Once the emails are saved to the external hard drive, they are securely stored and ready to be moved. When you are ready to access these emails on your new computer, simply connect the external hard drive. From there, you can copy the saved email files onto the new device with ease. This allows you to keep important conversations, records, and attachments close at hand without relying on cloud access or re-downloading messages. By following this straightforward process, you ensure your emails are safely relocated and protected during device changes. This method provides peace of mind and makes transitions smoother and more organized, especially when dealing with critical communication. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.